Hello everybody. My name is Daniel Kim and the title of the presentation for today it is Plan of Judgment. 1 Corinthians chapter 14 verse 8. If you do not blow the trumpet with clear sounding, who would prepare for the war? Joshua chapter 6 verse 5. When he tore down the city of Jericho, he blew the trumpet. And Revelation chapter 18 verse 1 through. One angel came down from heaven and he spoke with strong voice. He said, the city of Babylon is falling, and the meaning of the strong, it is wisdom. This is Proverbs chapter 24 verse 5. If you have the wisdom, you are strong. And we understand Matthew 12:40, sign of Jonah, it is wisdom. Look at the verse 42. And this wisdom means tree of life. This is Proverbs chapter 3 verse 18. So if you want to eat the tree of life, you must study and understand the sign of Jonah. This is the key. And if you want to go through the final great tribulation, you must study and fully understand the plan of judgment. If you do not know the plan of God, you won't be able to go through the last judgment. Jesus gave us a warning. You must be very careful because I have told you everything. This is Mark chapter 13 verse 23. Elijah will restore everything. The Son of Man who comes at the second coming is Elijah. If you read Mark chapter 9 verse 12 and 13, you will understand the Elijah. He is the Son of Man who is coming at the second coming. Elijah testified the book of Revelation. Matthew 11:10, Revelation 1:1, 22, 6 and 16. Jesus said, I will send my messenger who is Elijah, and he is going to testify the book of Revelation. The sign of the Son of Man in Matthew chapter 24 verse 30, it is 3 days and 3 nights. And the heaven means the saints. So when the second coming is drawing near, the children of God begin to understand the true meaning of 3 days and 3 nights. Elijah will ascend to heaven on March 23, 2023. This is based on Revelation chapter 12 verse 5. The man child, he is Elijah. And the ascension of Elijah means the end of the days of the Son of Man. So the days of the Son of Man will be ending on March 23, 2023. And it means door shut. This is Genesis chapter 7, verse 9 and 10 and 16. And you must study Luke chapter 17, verse 22-26, and Matthew chapter 24, 37, and 1 Peter chapter 3, verse 20. You must have a full understanding about the days of Son of Man. The days of Son of Man will be just like the days of Noah. And the days of Noah is the time when the Noah was building the ark. So when Noah went into the ark, the door was shut. And the door shutting means the close of probation. And then the furnace, 7 times hotter than usual, will come for 7 years. And it will be between 2023 and 2030. Brothers and sisters, now is the time to wake up. So if you want to enter into the ark, you must enter into the ark in 2022. So if you have any question, please feel free to contact me. I can explain to you details about this plan of judgment so that you will have a full understanding, so you can work with the spirit of Elijah in 2022. May God bless you.